moving on from where I last left off, I've now cut that much off of each end of the top hat section to go in, and also reflared that end portion for the middle sill to attach to it. And I've also made the cut all the way through the middle, so time to see if it fits. Okay, so there you may be able to see that that top hat section is still a little bit too long, and I did measure it off of the one that was in there, and it's just restricting this inner sill going back to where them holes are. So I've got a mark on there actually. I might have cut it wrong, but just gonna have to shorten it a little bit extra. There you go, with the jacking point fitted again, you can see it's just a little bit longer. So this top hat section has got to be equal to where that jacking point bit ends there, in line with that for the sill to go back. So that's all it needed, just 4mm. Got to cut 4mm off of that. 4mm stopping the sill going back. So make sure you go and check out Badgertronix over in New Zealand. Got some good projects going on over there, and I'll stick you right there, mate. Yeah, quite bad underneath that plate, so I may well make a new one of these as well. I did take a template just in case I destroyed it while taking it out, but should be able to trace that and make a new one. Well, using a couple of tools at the moment just to replicate this cargo floor steel, this corrugated steel. So initially I'm putting it in the bead roller, feeding it through there. Then I'm going in with the metal brake that I made. I'm reversing the sheet over just to get the angles right. So it's pretty close, it's nearly there. Just got to make a bigger section, and I'll probably put it in 2 halves. I may end it on this outrigger here and then do longer section. Just decided to go with one piece in the end. A little bit more trimming required, and I'll just take out this cancerous bit now, size it up, and I'm not going to bother with putting these indentation pieces in there. I'm just going to do one continuous piece, those being for the seat mount, giving it a recess for when the seat pin goes through, but I won't be putting that back on. I will still put this plate back on though, just for the looks of it all. That's definitely not as good as the old one. This one's the 3000 model, and whereas the other one was, well, I burnt out, the 4000, so it's got a lot more oomph to it. I think I can live with that, ain't too bad. Just give it a little coat of the old weld through primer, the old copper weld primer, because what I'm going to have to do now is remake this plate. I don't think I want to stick it on in that condition, so I'm going to remake that, and then I'll plug weld that onto the new panel that I've let in. Okay, I just made a copy of the original from 2mm steel, nice and flat plate. There we go, cut that there, all round about. So just got a copy and cut out these keyhole shapes and seat mounting holes.